Good evening, sir. Yep.
Good evening. Just wait for 2 minutes, huh? Coming. Recording. Okay, so where we had stopped in the previous lecture. क्या कर रहे थे हम लोग? We are done with the vocation. Vocation हो गया था हमारा.
Yes, miss.
हाँ. Vocation का warming up और workshop हुआ था क्या? Yes, yes.
Yes.
It was completed. ठीक है?
Yes.
So today we'll start with a new chapter, that is 2.2. Nature created man and woman as equals. ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay, so open page number 30. Okay, so this is a very beautiful chapter where a daughter asks certain questions, and it's basically a conversation between a daughter and a mother. ठीक है? Krishna, pay attention here and put your videos on, everyone. Jyoti, Kumkum, Piyush, Jyoti, Krishna, Shlok. Put your videos on, everyone. ठीक है, ये श्लोक को क्या हो गया? पीयूष नहीं है क्या आज? पीयूष किधर? हाँ, पीयूष इज देयर. हाँ. Okay, so it's a very beautiful chapter and it's basically a conversation between a daughter and a mother. ठीक है? So it starts with explaining how the surrounding of their home was. It was basically very beautiful. They were living in the outskirts of the city where they were full. The area was a little mountainous. There was many mountains and a crystal clear waterfall. So it's explained in the paragraphs. And later there's a conversation between a girl Anna and her mother. Okay, so we'll start. Nature created man and woman as equal. So the house and its surrounding are a site of peace in the early morning of April. So this conversation was held in the month of April. कब हुआ था ये? April के महीने में.
April में महीने में.
Conversation that happened place, it was in April. ठीक है? Witnesses.
Yes, teacher.
क्या हो गया? Am I audible properly?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. एक मिनट. So the house and its surrounding are a site of peace in the early morning of April. So they used to live in a very mountainous area ना, तो वहाँ का जगह कैसा था? एकदम peaceful था. Like you can only hear the sounds of the nature, the water ruffling by, then again the sounds of the bird, the sounds of the wind. So basically the area was full of peace. ठीक है? So it nestles by the side of a small stream of crystal clear water. Nestles मतलब उसके बाजू में ही, मतलब एक crystal clear water मतलब एक नदी गुजर रही थी और उसके बाजू में ही इनका छोटा सा एक घर था. The stream tumbles down the green mountains only 2 miles or so away. मतलब 2 miles का इतना वो लंबा नदी था और वो नदी कहाँ से निकल रहा था? From between the two mountains, so you can say, so it can be a waterfall, तो mountain के बीच से वो नदी निकल रही थी, so it was very beautiful. There is a stretch of hundreds of acres of fertile land rolling with yellow mustard flowers between the mountain ranges and house, and so the whole area, the outside, the whole surrounding area, it was full of mustard plants. Mustard plant किसने देखा है? देखा है कभी mustard seeds? Mustard seeds तो पता ही रहेगा ना? अरे वो
Yes.
तड़का लगाते हैं ना, मोरी मोरी बोलते हैं.
Yes, yes.
The balls. Yeah. So वो मस्टर्ड के प्लांट्स पूरे एकर्स, मतलब all the yards was covered with plants of mustards. A garden is in the front. Okay. There is a stretch of hundreds of acres of fertile land rolling with yellow mustard flowers. So जो mustard के seeds रहते हैं ना, उसका flower कैसा yellow color का रहता है. So it was looking very beautiful. Green color के mountains और नीचे yellow color के flowers,
Yes.
everything. And again, the river is passing by it. So the land was very fertile. So बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर जगह था वो. And a garden is in the front of the house. और उनके घर के आगे कैसा जगह था? एक छोटा सा garden था. ठीक है? Trees of many kinds bearing flowers of varied hues and flowers grow on all sides of the house. अब बहुत अलग अलग टाइप के वहाँ पर flowers थे, बहुत अलग अलग टाइप के trees लगाए गए थे. Basically our mother used to do planting and gardening, तो फिर बहुत अलग अलग टाइप के वहाँ पर plants थे. The courtyard smells of jasmine which blooms in the bunches of white pearls. अभी उनका courtyard का मतलब क्या होता है? आंगन है ना. उनका घर के आंगन में क्या था? घर के सामने ही गार्डन था ना, तो आंगन में कौन सा झाड़ लगा हुआ था? जैस्मिन. एंड हाउ इट यूज्ड टू स्मेल वेरी गुड. और उनका पूरा कोर्टयार्ड जैस्मिन की खुशबू से महक रहा था. So the fragrance mingles with the thin smoke that rise from sweet smelling incense sticks. और फ्रेग्रेंस कहाँ से आ रहा था? इट मिंगल्स में, मतलब जो जैस्मिन का फ्रेग्रेंस था और उनके यहाँ पर इंसेंस मतलब अगरबत्ती लगाई हुई थी, वो दोनों का स्मेल क्या हो रहा था? मिंगल हो रहा था, मतलब मिक्स हो रहा था आपस में. एंड द होल सराउंडिंग वाज स्मेलिंग सो गुड. ठीक है. The burning incense sticks are glowing at the altar of God in the middle of the courtyard. Now what do you mean by altar of God? हमारे यहाँ वो मंदिर रहता है ना, हम लोग मंदिर रखते हैं ना, तो उसको मंदिर को ही क्या बोलते हैं? ऑल्टर बोलते हैं. मतलब अ प्लेस वेयर गॉड स्टेज, जो भगवान जहाँ पर रहते हैं उसको ऑल्टर बोलते हैं मंदिर को. तो मंदिर कहाँ पर था? इट वाज सिचुएटेड इन द मिडल ऑफ द कोर्टयार्ड. और जैस्मिन के प्लांट्स भी वहां पर ही थे. और ये जो अगरबत्ती इंसेंस स्टिक्स थे वो भी कहाँ पर लगाए हुए थे? एट द courtyard. So the smell of the jasmine and the smell of this incense sticks, the both were mingling. Both क्या हो रहा? मिक्स होके बहुत ही अच्छा खुशबू आ रहा था. ठीक है. Now Ashanvi is in her reading room and is busy writing an article. Now she is a middle-aged mother of 3 children and a journalist and women's right activist. Abhi Ashanvi, who is Ashanvi? She is a mother. She is a mother of 3 बच्चों की माँ थी वो. and she was in her middle age का मतलब है like from 30s to 40s के एज की थी वो. and she was a writer, वो एक writer थी. then again she was a journalist और सोशल वर्कर. वुमेन राइट एक्टिविस्ट का मतलब वही होता है जो वुमेन से रिलेटेड जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है वो लोग सॉल्व करते हैं, उनके ऊपर आवाज उठाते हैं. तो शी वाज अ वुमेन राइट एक्टिविस्ट. ठीक है. नाउ लैंडोई, हर यंगेस्ट डॉटर. लैंडोई उसकी क्या थी? सबसे छोटी बेटी थी. हर नेम वाज लैंडोई. ठीक है. शी एंटर्स हर रूम. सो अशानवी, शी वाज बिजी राइटिंग ऑन सम आर्टिकल. कोई आर्टिकल के टॉपिक पे शी वाज राइटिंग. एंड एट दैट टाइम लैंडोई एंटर्स. Now she is an intelligent girl. Today she looks thoughtful and she takes a seat by her mother's side. Now Landoi कैसी थी? As her both her parents was very well educated, तो वो बच्चे भी वैसे ही थे. And she was very intelligent on in all her things, like उसके school background में, then all the competition that she used to take part. So she was very intelligent. So she okay, so she sat by her side, उसकी मम्मी के बाजू में बैठी. and the side of her child, Ashanvi lovingly asked, have you finished your study my dear? तो yes mother, I have finished it last night. Today being Sunday, I want to do something interesting. So she asked कि homework हुआ है कि नहीं. So again she says yes, I have completed my homework last night. And what day is it? It is Sunday. So I have something interesting to do today. So she is saying this to her mom. ठीक है? To Ashanvi. Lando is speaking all this thing to Ashanvi. Don't get confused between Lando and Ashanvi. Ashanvi मम्मी रहती है और Lando ही छोटी लड़की रहती है. ठीक है? Now Lando says and waits for her mother response. Now her mom says ki, tell me what do you want. So Ashanvi asked her quite amused. Now she was amused, like a little bit surprising ki isko kya chahiye abhi. Now mother, tomorrow I am going to represent the Siroy Lily House as the speaker in the symposium at our school. Now what do you mean by symposium? So symposium is like a meeting room at which all the experts they gather over there and they do certain kind of discussion. यहाँ पर तुम लोगों को margin में देखो दिया भी है. Symposium का मतलब है it's a meeting at which experts have discussion on a particular subject. तो यहाँ पर she was the representative. कौन? Landoi. So mother, tomorrow I going to represent the Siroy Lily House. Siroy Lily House मतलब उसका स्कूल रहेगा, उसके स्कूल का नाम रहेगा. तो वहां पर वो क्या कर रही थी? She was the representative. वो symposium मतलब जो भी discussion होने वाला था ना उसको वो lead कर रही थी. She was the representative. Like she उसको आके कुछ उसके बारे में ये देना होगा. She has to present some of her ideas. उसको lead करना था. So the topic is God created men and women as equal. और वो discussion का this discussion is similar to जो group discussions तुम लोगों ने सुना रहेगा. It's one of the activities which is there in I guess 9th. तो group discussion तुम्हारे curricular का एक activity है where the teacher will give you one topic like is non-veg good or bad, ऐसे कुछ भी टॉपिक, demonetization is good or bad, ऐसा कुछ भी एक टॉपिक रहेगा where you have to discuss the positive or the negative drawbacks. And it's not same as debate जैसा नहीं रहता है. It's debate में you have to write, you have to say the counter points. इसमें you have to agree with the group and go on. तो यहाँ पर भी ये group discussion तुम लोगों को introduce किया है ये chapter में. और यहाँ पर उसके स्कूल में भी क्या था? एक group discussion चल रहा था. ठीक है? So what was the topic given? The topic given was God created. God ने men और women को equal rights दिए हैं and he had created them equal. ठीक है? So will you spare some time to have a discussion with me? Landoi presses on her mother. Presses मतलब होता है she insists. She was insisting her mother कि please discuss about me, discuss about this topic with me. कुछ तो भी discuss and tell me some points so that I can lead in the group. ठीक है? And lead in the group or the group discussion. Now Landoi has just had a discussion with her father on the topic. Tomba, her father, is a husband supportive of the activities of his wife and a loving father. अभी ये Landoi ने ये टॉपिक के बारे में उसने अपने पापा से भी उसने अपने फादर से भी चर्चा कर चुकी थी. Now she wanted from her mother to also to gather some of the points. तो यहाँ पर उसके पापा का नाम क्या था? His name was Tomba. Aditya, put your video on. कहाँ पर चला गया तू? Aditya. Anyway, so her father name was Tomba and he was a very supportive husband and a loving father too. Now he is a lawyer and a social worker too. अभी उसकी wife भी social worker थी और ये भी एक social worker and by profession he is a lawyer who advocates the cause of women. ठीक है? Advocates the cause of women का मतलब जो भी women related issue है about domestic violence, then again death of the girl child, ये सब चीजों के बारे में he was an advocate और उसकी बीबी भी वही सब करती थी. About women, she was an activist, a women right activist. ठीक है? Now he is always proud of his wife, the 2 daughters and the son. अभी उनकी 2 लड़कियां थी और एक लड़का था. And the father Tomba, he was always proud of his wife Ashanvi. Now in times of need, he extends his helping hand to his wife and children to do the and to the society at large. And now the social activists, they do anything for the welfare of the society. Society के लिए welfare के लिए ये लोग काम करते हैं. So everything he used to do related to the society so that he could help the people around. ठीक है? And he used to even help his wife. ठीक है? He does not discriminate between the man work and a woman work anywhere. So he never used to discriminate कि ये लड़कियों का काम है या आदमियों. Okay, just wait a minute.
Okay, teacher.
Discussion further topic about the user reference repetitive He is a lawyer and a social worker. He advocates
Okay, so where were we? So he was basically a very supporting husband and a very loving father. Okay. So in the times of need, he extends his helping hand to his wife and the children and a society at large. So what these social workers do? So they basically do things for the welfare of the society. And he was always he used to be with his wife. Then again he used to help her wife. Okay. He does not discriminate between a man's work and a woman's work anywhere. So he was not at all that discriminative or orthodoxic type of a man. He used to always support his wife in all the things. Okay. Now come to the next page. He shares equally with his wife in doing the household chores like cleaning, washing, cooking, and feeding the children. Had he not shared in these activities in the way he does, his wife would not have been successful profession. Now he was a very loving father and a helping husband too. He used to do all the household chores. Household chores का मतलब क्या, घर के सारे काम वो करता था. ऐसा he was even the advocate, बहुत बड़ा advocate था, but he was not that self-obsessed or self-esteem वाला इंसान. बहुत ही ज़्यादा he was a very down-to-earth personality. And he used to always help his wife. ठीक है, घर के काम, बच्चों के काम सब करता था वो. So he wholeheartedly believed in equality irrespective of his class, religion, and gender. So he used to believe in equality rather than discriminating about men's and women work. ये लड़कियों का काम है, औरतों का काम है, या आदमियों का काम है, इनको घर पे रहना चाहिए औरतों को. So he was not at all discriminative. Rather, he was very supportive. ठीक है? So in this discussion with his daughter, he laments. Now laments का मतलब होता है to express. Write it down there. So laments over the great injustice done by the society to the woman. So all the jitne bhi the problems that the woman has to face in the society, he just explains some of the point to his daughter. Daughter का नाम क्या था? What was the name of her daughter?
Lothai.
Yes. Some of his views about all the difficulties that the woman has to face in the society. Because even the topic was what was the topic given, that God created man and woman as equal. ये topic के बारे में उसको discuss करना था ना. So he explains and he shares some of his views. वो अपने views बताते हैं कि कैसे the woman, the child, the girl child has to face so many of the difficulties that is given by the society. So he laments over the great injustice. Laments का मतलब होता है expresses the grief and sorrow. जो भी दुख, जो बहुत दुख से वो बता रहा रहता है उसकी बेटी को कि कैसे ये सारे बच्चों को, जो भी गर्ल चाइल्ड्स है, देन उनको पैदा होते ही उनको मार दिया जाता है, कैसे वुमेन पे डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस होता है. तो ये सारी चीज वो अपनी बेटी को बताता है. ठीक है. My dear child, the world is full of inequalities. We have to find the way to bring equality between men and women. So from जैसे ही बच्चे पैदा होते हैं तभी बहुत सारे our Indian parents, our India is full of inequality. जैसे ही बच्चे पैदा होते हैं लड़कों को इंग्लिश मीडियम में डाल देते हैं, लड़कियों को हिंदी मीडियम में डाल देते हैं. So that's why he's saying कि our world is full of inequality. So we have created this huge inequality between our society where the girls are treated less prioritized than the boys. Boys को ज़्यादा priorities मिलता है than the girls. So that's why he's saying कि this world is full of inequality, and we are the next coming generation has to find the way to bring equality between the men and women. ठीक है. Now her father words are still ringing in the ears of Landoi. Now Landoi कितने साल की थी? वो कुछ 11 से 15 साल के बीच में रहेगी, और ये उम्र में उसको ये चीज सुनना was something very that something struck in her head. तो वो पूछ रही थी, and that thing was going in her head, बार बार वो चल ही रहा था. तो ये चीज लेके किसके पास आती है? She comes to her mother. Now her father words are still ringing in the ears of Landoi, and she tells her mother of what her father had told her. अभी वो जो भी चीजें उसके पापा ने उससे कही है वो किसको जाके बताती है? She discusses with the mother. ठीक है. Now appreciative of her husband for his views, Ashanbi says, your father is right. In no society do women enjoy the same opportunities enjoyed by men. Now Ashanbi, the proud wife, she was very proud from her the views of her husband and all the support that she got from her husband. She was a proud wife, and she told, yes, your father views are exactly right, and again your father is right. In no society, in our society, the women, they don't enjoy the same opportunities. जो भी opportunities लड़कों को मिलती है वो same opportunities लड़कियों को नहीं मिलती है ना. ये तुम लोगों ने भी देखा रहेगा, ऐसे बहुत सारे जगहों में रहता है. यूपी बिहार साइड में, नॉट ओनली यूपी बिहार, बहुत सारे जगहों में ऐसा ही होता है कि लड़कियों को इतना ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं मिलता है. कुछ सालों बाद उनका स्कूल भी बंद कर दिया जाता है, यहाँ तक ही पढ़ना है. ऐसे बहुत सारे लॉट मेनी टैबू इन आवर सोसाइटी दैट वी हैव टू कम ओवर इट. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर भी वही वो बोल रही है कि द वुमेन डोंट गेट द सेम अपॉर्चुनिटीज एज बॉयज. So it is because of your father that I feel no difference or inequality at home. So she is appreciating her husband कि मैं तुम्हारे पापा के वजह से ही I feel there is no difference, because her father Tomba, he was very supportive. ठीक है. वो ऐसे जूने ख्यालात का इंसान नहीं था, when he was very supportive. So वो भी वही बोल रही कि because of your father I don't feel this insecurity or I don't feel this inequality का difference. But outside our home, I have seen that women has been subjugated in many ways. Subjugated का मतलब क्या होता है? Dominated, से कंट्रोल में रखना, है ना. लड़कियों को घर से बाहर नहीं निकलने देते, शाम हो गया तो आ जाना चाहिए अगर कहीं बाहर भी गए. तो there are so many like all the things, all the problems that the girl has to face. तो ये वही बोलते हैं कि because of your father I don't feel anything, but outside the world, outside our home, there are so many things going, the woman has to suffer. ठीक है. तो यहाँ but outside our home, I have seen that women have been subjugated in many ways. Subjugated का मतलब लिख लो वहाँ पर underline करके, dominated, controlled. ठीक है. So the outside our home, I have seen that women has been subjugated in many ways. It is against the will of God. Do God want this? क्या भगवान को चाहिए क्या? नहीं, he made both of them equal ना, that these are ये हम इंसान ही है ना जो ये सब अलग करते हैं, that men should get the highest priority, whether the woman should be in the house doing the all the household chores. So do God want all this? No. ठीक है? Now God had sent man and woman to our earth to share all the joys and sorrows of life equally. ठीक है, ऐसा कोई काम नहीं है जो लड़का कर सकता है लड़की नहीं कर सकती, है ना? ऐसा कुछ है क्या? No. Yes. So to share this blessing and to enjoy the bounty of nature equally, this is what our topic means. So she was explaining the topic, बहुत अच्छे से वो explain कर रही थी अपनी बेटी को कि what the exactly the topic meant. ठीक है, what she is saying कि God had sent, God ने दोनों को equally बनाया है, and God had sent them to share all the joys or sorrows of the life. जितने भी joys और sorrow है, He had sent to experience them equally. ठीक है? Now this is what your topic means. Now Ashanbi knows well that men and women are equal. Now Ashanbi knows that men and women have equal rights and they should be treated as equal because she was a woman activist. ना woman activist थी. क्या करते ये लोग? What? Krishna, put your video on. Am I even audible?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Put your videos on. Okay, so where was I? So this is what our topic means. When Ashanbi knows well that men and women are equal. Now Ashanbi knew that men and women equal और वो एक woman activist थी तो उसको सब पता है कि women को कौन से rights है and all the things. Now women who are half of the human race are as important as men. So women are as important as men in this whole human race. So ऐसा कोई काम नहीं जो आदमी अकेला कर सकता है, उसको help लेना ही पड़ता है at some point, है ना? So that's why it's written here कि there's in this human race the women who are half equal with men. ठीक है? Now she writes and talks about such topics. And even she was a woman activist, तो वो यही सारे टॉपिक के बारे में वो लिखा करती थी. Even the article she was writing earlier was again of this topic. ठीक है? ठीक है?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Now she writes and talks about such topic. Her daughter thought a child also understands well that her mother is not just a person of lesser quality than her father. Now she says, our home is full of love with you, mother. अभी वो लड़की जो छोटी लड़की थी लैंडोरी, what she says कि you mother, you are equally as important as a father. अभी कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि father ज्यादा कमाता है तो father is like equally important, क्योंकि जो भी घर के काम वो मम्मी करती है ना, from waking up early in the morning to do all the household chores and all the things. So she also used to think that my mother is equally, is not just as a person but also as an activist, also as a journalist. My mother is equally as important as my father. Okay? Now the mother beams with joy at the words of her daughter. Now coming this line from 11 to 15 years child was very it was very surprising for her mother and she was very happy. ये सुन के she went like beams of joy, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो गई वो ये सुन के. As a mother of fact, mother is the fountain of love in the family, है ना? True है ना? It is true. Mother is a fountain of love in the family. Now this bond of love is beyond comparison with anything else in the world. Is there anyone who can take place of your mom? कोई मम्मी का जगह ले सकता है क्या? No, she is the fountain of love in the family. No one can take her place. कोई भी उनका जगह नहीं ले सकता. So this bond of love is beyond comparison. It is beyond comparison. जैसे कि there is no comparison. किसी भी चीज को compare नहीं कर सकते मम्मी के प्यार से, है ना?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Yes, teacher. Yes, miss.
Krishna, why your video is not on?
Because I had put my laptop to charging.
Yeah. क्या कम है इसका?
चार्जिंग नहीं है लैपटॉप।
अच्छा अच्छा, तुम लोग को आ रहा है ना मेरा आवाज बराबर?
यस टीचर,
Yes, miss.
यस मिस।
हाँ ठीक है। ओके, सो द मदर बीम्स विद जॉय। अभी ये एक छोटी लड़की से सुन के वो मम्मी बहुत खुश हो गई। Now showing deep affection, Ashanbi continues, Pioneer women testify. Now Pioneer is what a person like who is among the first to take up the cause, especially in the new reason. Pioneer means to take a foot ahead in something. जो भी जो main इंसान रहता है, like a project is lead by a project manager. एक project का head कौन रहता है? एक project manager रहता है. So एक activist, जो भी women activist का team है, उसकी head कौन थी? उसकी head ये थी, इसकी मम्मी थी. So showing deep affection, Ashanbi continues that Pioneer women testify to be the equality of women with man. Actually, life is not possible without both of them. Is life possible without any one of them? बहुत ज्यादा नो राइट ना? हाँ, तो दोनों आर इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट. So that she was conveying. Now Landoi has been fascinated by the stories of pioneer women. Pioneer women are like who used to take everything beyond anything. जैसे कि रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, ये सब pioneer women है, ठीक है? Savitribai Phule, then ये सारी चीज ही pioneer women, and she was from very young she was very fascinated by all the stories of this pioneer woman. Now her grandmother had narrated many stories of brave queens like Lindoin Gambi and Kurangyani, who so these were brave queens. ये कोई country की queens रहती थी. Even I don't have any idea. So Lindoi Gambi and Kurangyani, who were as brave as kings. So we can consider Rani Lakshmibai from our country. She was as brave as any of the king in India. Now there were also many brave women among the common people. We can even consider Savitribai Phule, who started the girl education, right? है ना? So it was not a very easy task for her. People used to spit on her. People used to throw stones on her. So she was the pioneer lady of our country who took forward the step to educate the girl child. है ना? तो क्या zoom in zoom out कर रहा है आदित्य? Okay, so there were also many brave women among the common people. So this woman, as her grandmother narrated, were makers of home, of family, as well as society. So they didn't just build their own home, but they were brave as well, and they also built the whole societies. They had done thousands of work for the society, for the welfare of the society. Okay. They were civilizing influences. Civilizing influences means they were self-educated, and also they used to educate the society. They used to educate the people. At the same time, they were also adventurers who claimed their shares in free land, plowed and raised crop with their own hands and drove cattle. Now all this work are always considered to be done by man. है ना? किसी भी एक किंगडम का राजा होना, फिर ये सब करना, to conquer, to capture some fort, to capture something. So all these things are always considered to be done by a man. लेकिन हमारे हिस्ट्री में ऐसे बहुत सारी लेडीज है जिन्होंने ये काम किया. तो इससे हमको क्या सीखने मिलता है कि मेन एंड वुमेन आर इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट इन ईच एंड एवरी फील्ड. ठीक है. सो ये सारी स्टोरीज से वो अपनी बेटी को यही मैसेज कन्वे कर रही थी. Drove cattle means and plowed fields means the work of farmers. ठीक है. और cattle का भी वही होता है. Modern women have become mountaineers. Now the women in the modern age they also वो mountaineers भी है. Then they are naturalists also. Then astronauts too, now scientists, then again soldiers and political leaders. Now even some of the women are driving planes also. बहुत सारी women अभी pilot भी बन चुकी है, ठीक है. So there's no field, कोई भी field नहीं है जहाँ में लड़कियां पीछे है. Now this proves there's nothing a woman cannot do, and also that a woman and men were created as equal. So वो यही बता रही है ये सारी चीजों से, there is no task in this world where the woman is behind and the man is leading it, ठीक है. So this proves that God created man and woman equal, and the society should also accept this. So is there any doubt till here? कुछ word, कुछ no? ठीक है.
No teacher.
No, miss.
Okay. Now then she asked her mother further, okay, mother, you have thrown light on the equality of men and women, and also have empathized that world is still an unequal world. Yes, it's right that God had created the man and woman equal, but it just us, the people, the society, who discriminates between men and women. So she says, I am very well aware of this point that God has created it equal, but the society who discriminates it. Okay. Now then, what would I like to know if it's there's morals? Then what I would like to know is if there are any moral, social or legal provisions to enable women to express their physical and mental potential and to set themselves free from suppression. अभी ये क्या पूछ रही है कि वो अपनी बच्ची वो उसकी मम्मा से क्या पूछ रही है कि is there anything socially or anything legally enable for women? कुछ women के लिए कुछ socially कुछ legally चीजें हैं क्या जिससे पता चले कि उनको उनके rights से aware किया जाए, है ना? You have seen, you must have heard in the news also कि domestic violence पे कितना बड़ा जुल्म है domestic violence. Then there are so many things even our government is doing to take the women's ahead, जैसे कि educating the girl child. Then अभी बहुत सारे states में ऐसा भी है कि लड़कियों को अगर किसी के घर पे लड़की पैदा होती है तो बहुत बड़ा फंक्शन उनको दिया जाता है या फिर उनको कुछ इनाम रखा जाता है 10,000. ऐसे कोई स्टेट में ये भी है, ऐसे सर्टेन पॉलिसीज आर देयर कि किसी के घर पे लड़की पैदा हुई तो उनको 10,000 मिलेंगे. नाउ गांव के साइड में ऐसे बहुत सारे स्टेट है जहां पर लड़कियों को 10th के बाद साइकिल दिया जाता है ताकि तो होता है they can travel to the city and do their further education. Then some of the state like UP, Bihar, they have even provided the laptops to the girl child. तो ये सारी चीजें आगे आ रही है ताकि किसी लड़की को रुकाना नहीं है घर पे कि हो गया उसका पढ़ाई. No, everyone should encourage the girl to do and to take it forward because our society has been suppressing the girls. जो भी वुमेन है उसको हमेशा दबाते आए हैं कि घर के अंदर रहना है, घर का काम करना है, which is not right, है ना?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
तो वो बच्ची पूछ रही है उसकी मम्मी से कि कुछ ऐसा लीगल चीज है क्या कुछ गवर्नमेंट में ये गर्ल्स के ऊपर, ये वुमेन के ऊपर, ठीक है?
Yes.
Krishna, there's a panda behind you.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Poster.
Okay, so then she asked her mother, you have thrown light on the equality of men and women and also has emphasized that the world is still an unequal world. Then what I would like to know if there is any moral, मतलब कुछ ऐसा moral, legal कुछ rule है क्या जिससे पता चले कि वुमेन्स को भी इक्वल लाइट मिलना चाहिए. अगर वुमेन्स पे गलत हो रहा है तो वो लोग जाके पुलिस स्टेशन में कंप्लेन दर्ज करा सकते हैं. तो देयर आर सो मेनी मॉरल एंड एज वेल एज लीगल थिंग्स, है ना? ऐसे किसी लड़की को मारना गुनाह है, देन अगेन किसी को अपने पढ़ाई से वंचित करना भी गुनाह है. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे लीगल लॉज है आजकल बन चुके हैं. तो देयर इज नो वे टू सप्रेस द गर्ल नाउअडेज, ठीक है? लीगली बहुत ही ज्यादा बड़ा क्राइम है ये, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर देखो दिया है, देयर आर मेनी अंडर द एजेस ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन. सो देयर इज अ डिक्लेरेशन फॉर द न्यू वर्ल्ड ऑफ इक्वालिटी. सो बहुत सारे डिक्लेरेशन मतलब बहुत नए रूल्स है ये नए वर्ल्ड में. इक्वल एक्सेस टू बेसिक सोशल सर्विसेज, मतलब जितना भी सोशल सर्विस है, स्कूल हो गया, फिर हॉस्पिटल हो गया, फिर जो भी सोशल चीजें हैं ना उसमें इक्वल राइट है। स्कूल में भी इक्वल राइट है, गर्ल्स को भी बॉय को भी, जितना भी हॉस्पिटल में भी इक्वल राइट है। तुम लोग अभी अभी देख सकते हो कि कहीं कोई कोई वो गवर्नमेंट का एग्जाम देने को लड़कियों को फ्री रहता है, लड़कों को चार्ज करते हैं। ये सब क्यों रखा है फ्री? ताकि वो एनकरेज करते हैं कि लड़कियों को भी एग्जाम देना चाहिए, है ना? ठीक है।
Yes, miss.
तो
Okay, miss.
इक्वल पार्टिसिपेशन इन पॉलिटिकल एंड इकोनॉमिक डिसीजन मेकिंग। अभी देखो हमारे बहुत सारे जो मंत्री भी है वो कौन है? लेडी है ना? लेडी है ना बहुत सारे। सो हमको इक्वल, गर्ल्स को भी इक्वल राइट दिया गया है बाय द गवर्नमेंट कि वो लोग डिसीजन मेकिंग ये सब में इक्वली पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। इक्वल रिवॉर्ड फॉर इक्वल वर्क। अभी कोई चीज जीतता है लड़का या फिर लड़की, दोनों को क्या इक्वल रिवॉर्ड, मतलब इक्वल गिफ्ट उनको मिलना चाहिए। ठीक है। एलिमिनेशन ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एंड वायलेंस अगेंस्ट द वुमेन। डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मतलब डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होना चाहिए, लड़का और लड़की इक्वल है तो ये सब भी नहीं होना चाहिए। और वायलेंस, कभी किसी लड़की पे कोई वायलेंस मतलब कुछ भी ऐसा मार हार ये सब नहीं करना चाहिए लड़की पे। ये सारा चीज करने के बाद बहुत बड़ा बड़ा क्राइम होता है। ठीक है। तो जिसके वजह से इंसान अंदर भी जा सकता है फॉर लाइफ टाइम इन जेल। ठीक है। Slok and Jitesh, put your videos on. श्लोक, जितेश, तुम लोग कैमरा चालू करके बंद करके किधर चले जाते हो क्या? ये श्लोक
No, teacher.
लेक्चर है ना कि ये रहता है? फर्स्ट लेक्चर है क्या इसका? श्लोक
नहीं टीचर, पिछले लेक्चर्स में भी ज्वाइन हुआ था।
मिस पिछले लेक्चर में भी था।
I've never seen him. ठीक है। So there are so many things, हाँ, कि अगर कुछ लड़कियों पे बुरा किया तो उसके लिए बहुत सारे उसके ड्रॉबैक्स हैं। So then the mother concluded, my dear daughter, we can affirm along with United Nations that men and women are equal. तो वो क्या बोल रही है कि my dear daughter, we can affirm, मतलब United Nations से हम लोग जाके पूछ भी सकते हैं। There are so many laws in the Constitution, मतलब ये कहानी अमेरिका का है तो इसलिए इसमें यूएन नेशंस वगैरह बोला है। तो ऐसा बहुत सारा जगह है इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, इवन इट इज रिटन कि जितना राइट्स गर्ल का है उतना ही राइट किसका है? बॉयज का है। ठीक है। Now Lendoi understands what her mother means and what the topic of the symposium means. अभी ये सारा डिस्कशन उसके पापा के साथ, उसकी मम्मी के साथ, ये सारे डिस्कशन के बाद क्या हुआ, उसको समझ गया कि what is the topic of the symposium, what is the topic of the group discussion, वो अच्छे से समझ गई। Now thus confident of success, the next day after thanking her mother, the girl of 12, she was only 12 years old. The girl of 12 happily rushes out of the room in the bright morning sun. अभी she was so confident क्योंकि उसको इतने सारे पॉइंट मिल गए from her father, from her mother, तो she was so confident, वो एकदम कॉन्फिडेंट थी कि वो ये सिंपोजियम में बहुत अच्छा से वो अपना पार्टिसिपेशन करेगी। The small girl is always fascinated by all the small triad with wings of the distant purple mountains. She was like very much fascinated. ये small trial करती रहती थी. She used to participate in all the competition. She was a very fascinated girl, very wide thinker. वो ऐसे narrow thinker नहीं थी, छोटी छोटी ऐसे कम उसका सोच नहीं था, बहुत ज्यादा वो सोचती थी, है ना? And she was very like she was a very wide thinker and a very fascinated girl. तो उसको बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ चुका था कि टॉपिक क्या है सिंपोजियम का, और वो एकदम कॉन्फिडेंट थी कि I will definitely win this. ठीक है। So we are done with this chapter. कुछ नहीं समझा तुम लोगों को?
नो टीचर, समझ गया।
सेंस का मतलब क्या?
टीचर अच्छा।
मिस टू इंटरेस्टेड।
टू इंटरेस्टेड कौन बोला? अच्छा योशिता।
ब्यूटीफुल।
बहुत अच्छा था ना? So तुम
Yes.
लोग भी ऐसे
Yes, miss.
the situations will come in your life whether you should never discriminate between a girl and a boy. We are the young age, the youngsters of the country, है ना? हमको ही ये जो पुराने ख्यालात की चीजों को, ये सबको दूर रखना है और आगे बढ़ना है ना? So you
Yes,
should be
teacher.
always, you should think
Yes,
that
miss.
to do
Yes,
that.
miss.
Yes, Abdul Kalam always said that the country will only be developed when it will. Kya your voice is, my voice is coming?
Miss.
Yes, teacher, your voice is coming.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
तो डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम ही ऑलवेज
हाँ.
सेड कि ये कंट्री कब आगे जाएगा, जब ये कंट्री किसके हाथों में जाएगा, इन द हैंड्स ऑफ यंगस्टर्स. सो वी यंगस्टर्स, we have that responsibility to drive our country, to drive all these drawbacks, जो भी बुराई है ये हमारे कंट्री में, all this discrimination and all this child death वगैरह, ये सबको कौन दूर कर सकता है? only we people. क्योंकि ये तो पुराने ख्यालात के लोग हैं, लेकिन हम लोग तो we are with the right mind ना, हम लोग
Yes,
तो अभी
yes,
के
ma'am.
माइंड से ना. again we should never do anything wrong. We should always be honest. We should always do things which are honest. कुछ घूसखोरी, कुछ corruption, we should never indulge in all these things, है ना? We are the coming
Yes,
future.
ma'am.
So we should lead our country, है ना? ठीक है? So this was the message from this subject, from this
Miss.
lesson. बोलो.
Miss. Fascinated का मीनिंग क्या है?
Fascinated का मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा उसको अच्छा लगता था वो चीज. Fascinated मतलब she was very much interested in doing all this thing, in taking part all this competition. बहुत ही अच्छी लड़की थी, मतलब वो intelligent.
Yes, teacher.
और क्या क्या?
Teacher समझ गया.
डायमेंशन.
अभी इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप करेंगे.
हाँ, डायमेंशन किधर है पूछ रहा है ये. On which page number it is?
33.
टीचर 33 पे.
कौन सा पैराग्राफ?
It has the following dimensions.
किधर है?
चार पॉइंट दिए ना, ABCD.
Yes, miss.
Miss highlighted.
वो
ABCD में किधर है रे डायमेंशन?
मिस उसके ऊपर वाले पैरा में.
Okay, it has the following
मिस मेरी आवाज आ रही
dimensions. It
है?
has the following rules. Dimensions मतलब अलग अलग रास्ते हैं. अगर ये किया तो ये सजा मिलती है, अगर ये किया तो वो
Yes,
सजा
miss है.
मिलती है. सिर्फ अलग अलग डायमेंशंस, अलग अलग रूट है. ठीक है?
मिस मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
यस
आ रही है, बोल.
आ रही.
मिस मैं वही पूछ रहा था, कभी से हेलो हेलो कर रहा हूँ.
Yes, your voice is coming. ठीक है?
ओके मिस.
अभी तुम लोग मुझे आंसर बताओ. मैं तब से तुम लोगों को लेसन अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन
Okay,
किया ना,
miss.
तुम लोग आंसर बताओ, है ना?
ओके मिस.
Piyush, Aditya, you guys now tell me the answer. Come to page number 31, margin question. हाँ, अभी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ ब्यूटीफुल नेचुरल सराउंडिंग्स ऑफ द हाउस. क्या क्या ब्यूटीफुल नेचुरल थिंग्स थे वहां पर?
मिस जैस्मिन फ्लावर्स.
Mr. Crystal clear water, mountains,
क्रिस्टल क्लियर वाटर, फिर माउंटेन, एक वाटरफॉल, फिर
गार्डन.
yellow mustard seed flower,
गार्डन. कोर्टयार्ड.
yellow mustard flowers,
येलो मस्टर्ड फ्लावर्स.
The fragrance of the flowers.
जैस्मिन फ्लावर्स.
Jasmine flowers.
Second question. What help did Landoy need from her mother?
लेंटर है जस्ट दिस.
Yes.
she want to discuss about the symposium that at her school.
Yes, she wanted to gather some of the point regarding the topic which was given in the symposium. God created men and women equal. ठीक है?
Symposium.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Now, what did Landoy father work as?
As lawyer.
As lawyer.
Advocate.
Lawyer and he was
advocate
yes, he was advocate.
the woman.
He was
Advocate
a
and
woman.
lawyer.
Huh? Okay.
Yes.
यस.
Now, in what way did Tomba contribute towards the Ashanbi success?
By
Yes.
Tomba was supportive
Very
of the
supportive,
activities
very
of
supportive father.
discriminative, and he was appointed
husband
and a loving mother used to even do all the household chores, ये सब तुम लोग लिख सकते हो, ठीक है?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, then how did the mother explain laundry topic for her speech at school? तो
The mother.
वो कैसे explain किया ये सब तुम लोग लिखो. Now, how is the role of the mother honored and praised? Mother is the fountain of love in the family, है ना? The mother
Yes.
means
Fountain of love in the family.
so that you
Yes,
have to
miss.
write.
Yes.
Now, what are the achievements of the modern woman?
Mountaineers, naturalists, astronauts,
Achievements are
scientists,
not
Astronauts, scientists,
Astronaut,
soldiers, and political leaders.
political leaders.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Now, what social justice does the aegis of United guaranteed? वो dimensions में ABCD part है, वो लिखना है, ठीक है?
Yes, teacher.
Now, what
Yes,
makes
of the
her
basic
eye when Lendo rushes outdoor? That she was fascinated by the trial of the purple and she was always fascinated with all these things. ये सब तुम लोग लिख सकते हो, ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay. तो बाकी का we'll do in the next lecture, ठीक है?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Homework क्या है?
Hi, miss.
Miss homework.
Miss, what was
Miss.
the homework?
Miss
Homework
homework.
you have to write the margin questions, हाँ? Margin questions लिख लो book में.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, miss.
Okay, miss. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, bye, miss.
Bye, miss.
Bye, miss. Bye, miss.
Bye. 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 Bye.
मैं भागती हूँ अभी, जाना है क्लास को.
Bye, teacher.